Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Friday, the 30th October and Saturday, 31st October, delegates from the region met with Father Gildasio, the General Counsellor for Social Communications, in a Zoom meeting. On Friday, the Counsellor for the region, Father Giacomo Roman, was also in attendance. To support reflection in Salesian Formation House regarding the text Young Salesian and Accompaniment, Orientations and Guidelines, the Department of Formation launched starting last September the initiative of 10 video seeds which are distributed on the web on a monthly basis. While waiting for the third seed, which will be tossed in the coming days, Father Silvio Rogia of the Department of Formation explains the aims and tools of the initiative in detail. The General Assembly of Don Bosco YouthNet, in which almost all member organizations took part, was held on Saturday, 24th October 2020. Initially scheduled in presence of Brussels, Belgium, the meeting was re-proposed online to comply with the social distancing rules enforced throughout Europe and the world. The provincial feast day of the Salesian province of Colombia, Bogota, COB, took place on 31st October in the Salesian College, Leon 13. The event, broadcast live on Facebook and YouTube, began with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father John Jairo Gomez Rua, COB Provincial, and celebrated by some Salesians in the presence of members of the Salesian family, in compliance with current safety protocols. The provincial feast day continued with various cultural programs and with the awarding of commemorative plaques for the anniversary of some works and several Salesians. It ended with the words of the provincial, who thanked the whole Salesian community and the Salesian family for accompanying him in prayer, which strengthens his animation to carry out the Salesian mission in favor of the poorest. The DB Wave project, supported by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union, turns 1 year old. The project, which includes 8 Salesian partners from 6 different countries, including the European organization Don Bosco International DBI, aims to strengthen the European Salesian Vocational Training VT network. A year ago, the partners of the project gathered at the Salesian House in Aschau in Munich, Germany, to start a process that was destined to last 2 years. The pandemic then delayed some peer learning and peer review, which can be recovered with an extension of the project for a further 6 months, but did not stop some processes aimed at supporting the internationalization strategy of national networks of the Salesian VT. At the end of the first year, the partners involved students of Salesian VT from Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Spain and Hungary in a competition for the selection of the official logo of the DB Wave project. The winner creator of the logo is Davide Bovo, a student of the graphics course of CNOS FAP Vocational Training Center in Mestre, Venice, Italy. The new Salesian cross has been created and is available only for the perpetually professed. Smaller than the previous one, the cross can be requested only and exclusively to the provincial or provincial economer at the post office of the Salesian headquarters at the email address ufiocoposta@sdb.org or to the Economer General, but the Jean-Paul Muller SDB, specific quantities required. From Monday 2nd to Sunday 8th November, the image of the Virgin of Cacupe will visit the sanctuary Maria Assistant of Asuncion for the first time. The visit is made in the context of the health crisis due to the pandemic in order to bring the image of the Virgin of Miracles close to the faithful and avoid agglomeration during the holiday of Cacupe. With deepest sorrow, we communicate that Father Luis Kulangara, aged 76, passed away at 6:15 a.m. on 4th November 2020 due to massive cardiac arrest and lung failures. Father K.O. Luis was born in the year 1944 at Mukanur, Ernakulam in Kerala. He made his first profession on 24th May 1964. He was ordained a priest 21st December 1974. He had served the undivided province of Chennai as the economer. He died at the age of 76. May his soul rest in peace. Students at the Divine Mercy Primary School at Malolo have planted 300 trees as part of their Literacy Week program led by the Salesian sisters. The tree planting exercise was done in partnership with the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment (MNRE) on Wednesday last week. Divine Mercy School Principal Salesian Sister Sovita said they are following a book written by Pope Francis titled Laudato Si, which according to her means Praise be to God. An hour-and-a-half online positive parenting session was conducted by Prafulta Center for Psychological Well-being for 30 parents or guardians of the boarders at St. Dominic Saviour Boys Home, Andheri on 1st November 2020. As a slow unlock of schools across Mumbai happens, the St. Dominic Saviour Boys Home, Andheri has been functioning online over the last 8 months of the lockdown. All these months with the boarders at home, an added responsibility has been borne by the parents, who have become substitute teachers at home. Parents have faced newer parenting challenges, which necessitated a session on positive parenting to guide these parents or guardians. The interactive session with Q&A was conducted by Prafulta's social psychologist and career guidance counselor Asha Dhandalia. She highlighted the importance of using social media effectively, teaching children to communicate healthily, and help them overcome academic performance issues. A few parents expressed gratitude for the relevant session and for the learning outcomes. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for watching.